Do you want to improve your English speaking, listening and pronunciation? Would you like to see the sounds in English rather than just trying to hear them? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to Say It, Learn English Pronunciation. Hi, I'm Jenny and I've been teaching English for 20 years and I have a real passion for pronunciation, teaching pronunciation and helping my learners improve their English speaking. Together with my team of experienced English teachers, pronunciation experts and English exam trainers, we create learning content to help non-native speakers of English communicate clearly and with confidence in English. We make English pronunciation visual and interactive because we know that's what works best for learners. When you join our learning community, you'll get access to pronunciation learning tips, videos and word lists to help you practice and perfect all 44 sounds in standard English. You'll find our English pronunciation course video lessons and downloadable worksheets are really easy to use and they'll help you improve your speaking level quickly. We also publish an award-winning app called Say It English Pronunciation, which is free to download on the App Store and on Google Play. And we regularly deliver live streams, blogs and other learning content for Oxford University Press. So take a seat, get comfortable, ideally in a quiet, private space so that you can listen carefully, repeat after us and focus on your English speaking. Make yourself a nice drink or a snack and sit back and get ready to see, learn and practice the sounds of English in a new and easier way.